package. Okay, so we are going to continue it again. So today we are going to learn what is module and what is package in Python. Okay, so module, it is a I'm going to define module. So module is a simple Python file in .py format, okay, that contain code such as variable, function, class, and executable statements. Okay, so here mm, I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, so this is the screen. I already create a folder. Mm, I'm going to open my folder. Folder name is Learn Python. Okay, so I only have virtual environment. I need to open my terminal. Okay, here you can activate your virtual environment like this. New script, this is the name of virtual environment, this folder. Okay, here after this you need to write script and activate. I already show you in previous video. You can go if you don't have if you have if you don't have any idea, then you will go and watch my previous video. Okay, so here I am I now I activated my virtual environment. Oh, okay, so here in this folder I'm going to create one file. Actually, I can create folder also for module. Okay, I am giving name mod. Okay, inside it, uh, I can no, I'm not going to create folder here. I need to create files. Oh, sorry, I need to create file, that is folder is that is module. Okay, M stand for module, and here, oh, I can't create this file inside the virtual environment. Okay, I need to close this folder and I need to create another folder. Okay, here mod means module. Okay, that is folder one. Okay, in module I need to create file, that is math dot utils. Here math dot utils dot py. Okay, this is just a Python file. Okay, and here I am going to write code. I'm going to minimize it. Okay, here I'm going to write function. I'm going to define function, that is add. I'm going to add numbers. So add a comma b. Okay, now I need to add colons here. Now I am going to return define function, that is add a comma b. I got error. A is not accessible pylons. Okay, okay, wait a minute. Actually, I can't give dot here. I just write underscore mat dot utils. Okay, then it will not show you. Oh, error. It's still showing error. Okay, and don't save. Now again, I am going to write code. Define function, that is add. I'm just going to pass a comma b colons. Okay, Now I am going to return a plus b. Okay, I am going to define another function for multiplication. A I'm going to write a comma b and return a into b. Okay, so I have created two functions in this file, math.utils.py. Okay, so module is just a like a Python file. They have function, class, and variables. Okay, so this is the module. Python underscore utils.py file is a module. Okay, now how to import and use this module. Okay, so here in this folder module I need to create another file. Okay, in this folder module, that is man.py. Man.py. Okay, in man.py I am going to use this math.utils.py. Okay, so this is the module, and here I am going to use inside this in main.py. So here we can see how to import and use this module, this modules. Okay, now I am going to import math underscore utils. Okay, this is a file name, math underscore utils. Okay, import math underscore utils dot add. I am going to use add this function. Okay, add here, and here import math.utils import math.utils. Okay, and here I'm going to print. Actually I am going to use add. I haven't I don't need to write here like import math underscore util dot add here. Okay, like this. So here print math.utils, this is also file name, this one. Here I need to write add. Okay, I'm going to use add function from utils.py file. Here I'm going to pass 2 comma 3. Okay, again I'm going to use another function, that is multiply. So here I need to write mul multiply. So you can see here I have two functions, add and multiply, in math underscore utils. Okay, so here I import math utils, and here I'm going to print from file math utils add function. I already have add here, and I have multiplication, so I'm going to use both function add and multiplication. Now we can run this. I'm going to run. I need to save this by using Control S. I can save both of file by using Control S. Okay, so here I need to run man.py file, so you can run by using Python, and here file name man.py. So okay, I need to go in folder, that is mode, because I'm not in correct place, because my man.py file is present in a. Okay, so here you need to go cd mode one mode. Okay, so I am in this folder. By using cd I can go in folder. Okay, so here I need to clear and I need to clean my terminal. Okay, I'm going to run file python man.py. Okay, so I got 5 and 6. Here you can see I want to add these two number. 2 plus 3 is 5 and I want to multiply these two number, that is 6. Okay, so this is called a module, guys. Module is just a simple Python file, and I can import this. If it is has function, then we can import it into another file. Okay, it is just a Python file, and it has class, variables, and executable statement. Okay, so this is called a module. Now we can see package. Okay, so here I am going to create folder. Okay, so first of all, you need to know what is package. Package means it is a folder that containing multiple modules. Okay, so if we have any folder and it contain multiple modules, means multiple Python file or a special file, that is init. This it a special file called a init underscore init.py. Okay, underscore init uh, underscore dot py file. Okay, so this file tell python this folder is a package and you can import from it. Okay, so here I'm going to create hmm, my package folder. Here another folder, I'm going to create another folder, that is my package. Okay, here inside this I need to create one file, that is init sorry underscore init again underscore dot py. Okay, so I have this file. So my sorry pack what is the package? It is a folder that containing multiple modules. Okay, and a special file called init. Okay, this folder tell python that it is a package, you can import from it. Okay, now mm, now I have a module package, and this is a virtual environment. Okay, you don't need to touch this. Okay, so here in learn python I need to create one file, that is man. Okay guys, now you don't need to touch this folder module one. Okay, now again I'm going to create one file, that is man.py. Okay, but inside the my package folder I have init.py and other modules, that is math underscore utils.py. Okay, and here in utils.py I'm going to write code after creating one module. Okay, so here I'm going to create one module file, another module file, that is string underscore util.py. Okay, so inside my package I have three files, .init.py and math underscore util and str underscore utils.py. Here in I'm going to write code in str.utils. Okay, so I'm going to define one function to upper, and here I'm going to pass one string, that is s. Okay, now return s into uppercase. Okay, so if we have any string, then we need to return it into a uppercase. Okay, I need to save this. Now I am going to use math underscore utils dot py module. Okay, so here I need to define one function. Okay, I can copy from here, add function. I need to close these folders. Okay, now I am going to paste it here, control s. Okay, so I have in package content two file, like package contain python file or module. What is a module? Module is just like python file. Okay, so package contain modules, multiple modules, and a special file init.py. This file said that, like, hey, this is the package, now you can import it. Where do you want to import? Okay, and you can use it into your code. Okay, and here I have two files, math.utils and string.utils. Okay, I also have code inside this, and I also have code inside this. Okay, now how to how to import from a package. Okay, so in man.py we are going to import. Therefore you can see it, this file man.py file outside from the my package folder. Okay, okay, this is in the outside the my package folder. Here now I am going to import file from my package folder, from my package. Okay, so I need to write from my package dot math dot utils. Okay, this is the file name. I'm going to import add function. Okay, and here I need to copy this line, and my package dot math utils. Here I need to write str utils, str. Okay, this is also file name. Okay, so we have math dot utils. So from my package, this is the folder name, my package. I'm saying again because you don't need to confusing here. So this is the file, my package dot math utils, and again I'm using add function from here, math. Okay, you can see here I have add. Now from my package, from my package folder I'm going to import this file str utils, and I have two upper this function name. So here I need to change function name to underscore upper. Okay, so I have imported folder name, file name, and function name. Okay, folder name, file name, function name. Import from package, my package dot str utils, import to upper, to underscore upper. Okay, now I am going to print add 5 and 7. Print to upper. Here I need to pass a string. Okay, because this function are doing operation of a string, like it would convert a string into uppercase. Okay, so here I'm going to write hello inside the double quotes. Okay, because it is a string, control s. Okay, now you can see here I got error in terminal. Okay, no problem. You can clear it by using clear command. Okay, so here our main.py file. So this is my package that contain multiple modules and a special file, init file. You just keep init file empty. Okay, you don't need to write code here. Okay, and math.py file, I have add operations by using add function, or here in string.py I have this function. Okay, and I import this module inside this main.py file, and this file is outside the my package folder. Okay, now it like if it has init file, then it will work as a package. Now I am going to run. Mm, you can see here folder location. Okay, so I am in learn Python, and I also have man.py in this folder. Okay, so I need to write this command. hmm Learn Python. I need to save this. Okay, so you can see here I got 5 7 addition of 5 and 7 12, and here you can see hello is in a small letter, then it will convert into a capital letter. You can see here I have hello in capital letter. Okay, by using to this. Okay, so uh, our function from string dot utils. So where is our string dot utils? This function, it is used for convert the lower letter into a small, sorry, lower case into a uppercase. Okay, so that's why I got capital hello in capital letters, and adding two number heads. Okay, so I'm just repeating again. Module means simple .py Python file, and package content folder, and package contain like a folder, or package contain different modules and init init file. Okay,